This is the ground glass on my Intrepid 4x5. And I got the Intrepid Fresnel screen. I don't know if you can see that. It's already kind of making things brighter. It amplifies the light. And the side that goes, and this is all according to Intrepid, and they have a great video on how to install this. It's like 35, 40 bucks US. I forget. I don't know if I paid more than that with shipping. I think it was around. It was under $50. And considering that the eBay ones are $30, and you have to Dremel them, and this one fits perfectly, I figured I'd just go with this one. Intrepid says that the Fresnel lens goes on the outside, so on the photographer side of the ground glass, so on top of the ground glass like that, with the, and you can feel it, one side's smooth and one side has like grooved lines in a circular pattern, and the grooved line side goes down. But let me show you what the camera looks like with just the basic ground glass. And I will say this, it's interesting, composition is easier with the Fresnel because the image is brighter, but in my experience, actual focusing with a loop on the ground glass is easier because even though the image is darker, you can see more of the grain. So no big deal. I mean, either way works. And hey, look, a sharp picture of a bad composition. You know, I mean, what we want is a good composition or a great composition with sharp focus. So let me show you how dark it is with just the basic ground glass. All right, there's the ground glass aimed at my Epson V850 with my 2021 Portfolio box set on top. And you see, you know, there's a hot spot that moves around a little bit, but it kind of falls off, etc. You get the idea. So that's how bright the ground glass is. Take your precision screwdriver and undo one of these clips and remove it. The other side you don't have to remove, you just have to loosen it up. And then take the Fresnel with the grooved side down and get it under the clip like so. Put that more in frame, sorry about that. Just that easy. All right, we'll put that back on the camera and I'll show you how much brighter it is. All right, hopefully you can see that. It's more evenly illuminated out to the corners, and it's easier to compose. It's brighter. You can see the whole composition at once without moving all around. And that's what a Fresnel lens does for you. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you guys found that interesting. That's installing the Intrepid Fresnel lens on the Intrepid 4x5. Oh, not square. There we go. Thanks for watching. Have a great one. Catch you guys later. Bye.